Are you dealing with unreliable data transmission in your outdoor IoT project? Sometimes, a standard antenna just doesn't provide enough gain to keep a stable connection over longer distances. Before treating outdoor directional 868 MHz, 915 MHz, 900 MHz as a quick buy, start with the real problem. Does it reduce a practical friction, or does it only look useful in the listing? The goal is a balanced decision based on visible facts, not a forced recommendation or exaggerated claim. Today we are looking at this directional Yagi antenna, which is designed to focus your signal rather than broadcasting it in every direction. It covers the 868, 915, and 900 MHz bands. Check size, compatibility, selected variant, visible material or design details, and usage conditions. These small checks often prevent the wrong purchase. The goal is a balanced decision based on visible facts, not a forced recommendation or exaggerated claim. The 8 dBi rating tells us this antenna adds a fair amount of gain, which is helpful if you are trying to reach a gateway located a few kilometers away. It acts like a flashlight beam for your radio waves. Before you commit, check your cables. This unit uses an N-female connector. If your current radio system uses a different standard, you will need to factor in the cost of an adapter. Useful clues to review include category/context, communication equipment, 868 MHz, 915 MHz, 900 MHz, compatibility/use target, NB-IoT radio system N-female connector, use case, outdoor. If a detail is unclear, treat it as something to verify rather than a guaranteed feature. The goal is a balanced decision based on 6. Since this is intended for outdoor use, remember that the housing needs to stand up to the elements. You should verify if your mounting mast is compatible with the bracket design included. Do not treat this as the only answer. Compare it with similar products and look for the best balance between usefulness, price, and verified details. The goal is a balanced decision based on visible facts, not a forced recommendation or exaggerated claim. You must confirm your NB-IoT system operates within the 868 to 915 MHz range. Using the wrong antenna for your specific frequency will result in significant signal loss, regardless of the gain rating. The listed price is $9.98, but final cost can change with variant, tax, promotion, stock, and shipping. Confirm the current checkout details before ordering. The goal is a balanced decision based on visible facts, not a forced recommendation or exaggerated claim. With a price point around $9.98, this is a relatively accessible option for those building out localized sensor networks. It is a no-frills piece of gear that focuses on function over aesthetics. When you install this, elevation is key. Clear the line of sight between this antenna and your receiver to get the best possible performance from your radio system. It may make sense if you are comparing options related to communication equipment and want something practical enough to fit your routine or setup. The goal is a balanced decision based on visible facts, not a forced recommendation or exaggerated claim. To recap, confirm your frequency band, verify the N-female connection, and ensure you have the right cabling. Don't skip the weatherproofing on your connector once it is installed. Before treating outdoor directional 868 MHz, 915 MHz, 900 MHz as a quick buy, start with the real problem. Does it reduce a practical friction, or does it only look useful in the listing? The goal is a balanced decision based on visible facts, not a forced recommendation or exaggerated claim. If this looks like a fit for your project, head over to the product page to double-check the latest specs and current availability. Thanks for watching and good luck with your connectivity build.